checking in on my babies, and they are looking great. If you guys remember, I put these out last week, and this is what's happening. So those are my Rainbow Lights kale, and these are my Catskill Brussels sprouts. All of these are collards. Look at my peas. Those are my snow peas. I have another sprout for my geranium. And these are my cabbages. Oh, they're growing so well. Let me see if I have any newcomers. Because, yeah, they're kind of holding steady. My mustard is still maintaining its disrespect. Oh, well. And so I have some things down here. Oh, it looks like my celery are trying to come up. Maybe they're just slow to germinate. And these are my green kohlrabi. And these are my purple kohlrabi. I didn't have a great experience with my kohlrabi, but I'm gonna try. One little soul block broccoli and my bok choy. So I'm gonna thin out these carrots pretty soon. I just want to see how many of them are gonna come up. Yeah. And of course my Swiss chard is looking beautiful. And this is my spearmint coming back. More collards. And these are my beautiful radishes. And there's one that's a latecomer. So I need to bottom water. Okay, so here are my carrots. Oh, they're coming up so I can take the tops off. So once your carrot seeds germinate, these are Parisian carrots. You want to uncover them so that they come on up. So I'm going to uncover all of these because they seem to be coming up. So yay, I'm excited. Feast upon the wood that I have acquired to build my raised garden beds, which I will be doing using pavers. I'm not going to, not pavers, they're landscaping bricks. I'll show you guys. You'll see. I will have to use a tool because I will need to cut these because I was going to do long beds, but I'm not. I'm going to do square beds. So stay tuned for that. So I will be building raised garden beds coming up. This is another thing that I'm going to talk about. Oh, well, there we go. That's my compost bin. This is something that I want to talk about too. Can you see down in there? That is my compost materials. I need to, number one, turn it, and I need to add some browns. Remember when I was telling you guys about the cardboard mulch? That's what that was about. Here are my garlics that are sprouting up. These are from garlics that I got from my parents. They had a whole bunch of garlic in the refrigerator, and I was like, really, what y'all gonna do with this? And then my dad's like, I'm gonna eat it. So I was like, well, let me grow it. And he was like, how many you need to grow? And I was like, Daddy, just hand over the garlic back away. Now these are garlic bulbs that I purchased and I put in the ground in the fall. These are elephant garlic, and they're supposed to get really, really big. So I want to compare the experience between the ones I bought and the ones I just got from the store. Pardon my shade, y'all. It is 82 degrees in this greenhouse, and it is a cheap little $60 greenhouse. So I'm excited about how everything's going, and I will keep you posted with my urban walkabouts, just to show you what it's like when you're trying to grow in an urban setting. You know, a lot of times we see these beautiful layouts of homesteads and you get discouraged, but the point of my channel is to form a community of those of us who want to one day homestead, or maybe we'll never homestead, but we want to grow and raise food for our family. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to join me in this urban gardening revolution. Comment down below about topics of things that you're not really certain about that you would like in videos and help on. I am not an expert. I am just addicted. So like, share, subscribe, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Grow with you later. Bye.